Two boys. One speaks broken English with confidence. The other knows English, but is afraid to speak. Who do you think will win?
Who will answer this question in English?
Aman knows the answer but stays quiet.
Aman, you know the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am. But I,
He sits down silently. Ajay raises hand confidently.
ma'am, I telling answer. Water boiling at 100 degree.
Good, Ajay. Keep trying.
Ajay and Aman walking.
Why you not speaking? You knowing everything? I'm scared. What if people laugh? People always laugh, but I still speaking.
A foreign tourist enters a shop.
Can anyone help me find this address?
Aman understands but stays silent. Ajay steps forward confidently.
I helping you. You go straight, then left turning, then asking someone.
Thank you.
Ajay feels proud. Aman shocked. Aman thinking. I knew better English, but I didn't speak. Ajay talking happily.
See, not perfect, but working.
Who will speak about their weekend?
Aman slowly raises hand. Aman, nervous but trying.
I went to market and I helped my mother.
Some students smile, but teacher claps.
Excellent, Aman. That's how you learn.
Broken English with confidence is better than perfect English with fear.